Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can leave a review on VR games. Make sure to stick around till the end and let's get started. So leaving a review for VR games depends on the platform where you purchase or played the game. So here's how to do it on the most popular platforms. So if you're using Steam, open the Steam app and head over to your library. Find the VR game you want to review and scroll down to the review section on the game's page. Click the write a review and rate the game with a thumbs up or thumbs down and type in your review. Once you're happy with it, click post review. If you're using a MetaQuest or Oculus Store, open the MetaQuest app on your phone or go to the Oculus website, go to your library, and select the VR game you want to review. Scroll the review section on the game's page, tap on rate and review, and choose your star rating and write your thoughts. And lastly, hit submit to post it. And if you're on the PlayStation Store, open the PlayStation Store on your console or online, search for the VR game you want to review. And then after that, scroll down to the ratings and reviews section and select write a review. Pick your star rating and add your comments. Finally, click submit to post your review. And that's it. That's how you can leave a review on VR games. Super easy no matter what platform you're on. Thanks for watching.